Yeah, I think it's just about having multiple conversations. When you come down here, it's important to understand that everybody is doing their own thing. Everybody has is living their own life as well, and has their own issues and challenges, and not to get too bogged down in the sort of the day to day of things, or sort of how conversations are going. Maybe they're not going the way you want it to go. As I said, I'm impatient, but I've learned very quickly to become quite patient with people as well. And really, what happens is that as you're having those conversations, you'll end up chatting with people who have a similar mindset and want to sort of work with you in that way. And I think that's really what you have to do, right? You talk to a lot of them, and then you find people with a similar mindset, and then you do the work, right? And as you keep doing it, other people who you've had perhaps conversations in the past, you had a conversation with someone a year ago, sort of sees how you're sort of moving now, and then sort of understands it a bit better from there. And so that's really, I think, what we've done here at SET. So it's just persistence more than anything else, and just getting better and finding the right partners to work with at a given time, and then sort of doing that work with that person and then moving forward.